Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kyla. Oh my god guys, so today's video I am doing a review and slash haul of what I got at the luxurious Morphe store. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just prime my well use this stuff. Okay. So let's see, what color am I gonna use? Wait, what is this again? Gonna go in with this brush and go in with this one phone home, and I'm just gonna like go in. I have to go in with this. No, okay. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna switch up the game here, guys. Alright. Oh. Eye brush. That's weird. Sorry guys, I know I'm going a little bit. Gonna go in this big boy. And go with Kyla. Okay. I'm gonna now go with the Jeffree blood sugar. We're using 2 palettes today. And I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used earlier. and just go in tongue pop. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with cavity. Go. Okay. Then we're gonna just go in with this highlighter brush and use the inner corner. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the foundation and I'm gonna go in with the DS3 and just buff it out. Oh wait, no, is this supposed to be this one? It looks really good. It's super soft. I like it. I look like a ghost. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the highlight brush and just put a little bit of color onto my face so you guys can you guys see that highlight? Jeffree, I love you. don't know if this is supposed to be a blush brush or what the deal is. Okay, and then I gotta go with a little bit of contour. Where's my, oh my god guys, everything's a mess right now. Oh, I think oh, this is the big brush. I forgot what this is for. Okay guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you on my 500 subscriber video. Bye. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Hey guys, so I totally forgot to do this part, but my review on the Jeffree x Morphe brushes, they were very good. I really liked how they worked on my face and my eyes. The only brush I didn't use was the last one because I didn't know what to use it for, but I'll definitely be using this in future videos, so look out for that. But other than that, I really think Jeffree did a good job with this collaboration. I'm very proud of him and his success. So for 2019, I'm literally like looking forward to getting more of his stuff, and I'm very glad I can support and love his products because they're like everything, and I really love his products and everything that he's offered so far. So congrats to you, Jeffree. I love you so much. I hope to God I meet you one day and tell you thank you so much for being my biggest inspiration to be a YouTuber and not giving up on my dreams, because I look up to you and I sometimes wish that I can talk to you every day. And I want to give a special shout out to all my supporters. I love you so much, and like literally, if it wasn't for you guys, if it wasn't for the constant support, I don't think I could ever do YouTube. Cause honestly, I never even thought of making a YouTube channel. I just thought it was, I was honestly shy. But I'll explain more to that once we hit 500 subscribers, and I'll explain it to you guys in my 500 subscriber video. And yeah, alright guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon.